Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to easily fix Tinder's login problem, so let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and go to Play Store. From here, search for Tinder. Once you find the app, tap on it and make sure that there is no update button available. That means that your app is up to date. Once you do that, just quit the app and go to your settings. Scroll down until you find apps, tap on it, and then tap on manage apps. From here, just go ahead and scroll until you find Tinder. And here it is. Once you find it, just tap on it, tap on storage, and then tap on clear data on the bottom and clear cache. Confirm the action, and this should solve your problem. Now, if this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future solutions to such problems, and thank you for watching.